Hey guys, welcome once again to your channel Techno Pro Master. In this video, I will respond a really big question, and is should I buy iPhone 13 or should I wait till iPhone 14? So this is a question that so many of you are asking all the time. My English is not really good, but I will try to explain you as better as I can. So I will make one kind of presentation. Don't worry, it's in Spanish, but I will explain you everything. So let's go ahead. So material. We will talk about material. There is this one here that was before, but now in iPhone 14 will be the material titanium. So that means that it's even more resistant and it's really more hard. So that means that if your phone goes to the floor, will be totally okay because the material is really good. So now we will go to the sides. The sides are like for iPhone 13 Pro 6.1 inch, for iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7 inch. So as you can see, in iPhone 13 have XDR with promotion. So if we go to iPhone 14, we already saw the presentation of Apple. We know that there are four kind of iPhone. iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So iPhone Plus and iPhone 14 Pro Max, we have a screen of 6.7 inch. So that means that iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro will have the screen 6.1 inch, the display. So we will talk now about chips, and here there are a really important information that you have to know about this. So in iPhone 13 you will have chip A15 Bionic. So that means that this was the faster chip when iPhone 13 came out. So I have to tell you something really sad, and is that if you buy iPhone 14 or if you buy iPhone 14 Plus, you will have the same A15 Bionic. Yeah, like you here. If you don't buy iPhone 14 Pro or if you don't buy iPhone 14 Pro Max, you will have the same chip as you have with iPhone 13. So start thinking for why you need this phone, because if you want to have a really better iPhone, you will have to buy iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I just let you know that iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, we have the same chip. Nothing changed for these two kind of iPhone. So as I said before, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will have the new chip A16 Bionic. That means that will be so very fast. But this is just for these two kind of iPhone. This iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus won't have this chip. Will have A15 chip Bionic. So start thinking in this. This is really sad because you will pay really much money and you will buy like iPhone 13 like for the price of iPhone 14. I don't know if I can explain, if you understand what I mean. You will buy for really high price iPhone 14 and will be like if you have iPhone 13. So this is really sad. So as I explained before, the chips, here is it if you want to take screenshot or something. So we will talk about the cameras, and something changed really, but really much, and is the difference between the three cameras. Now we will have a better flash, and now we will have better sensor, and now we will have better three cameras. Why? Because the cameras of iPhone 14 will add 48 megapixels, that you can make better photos, that you can make better videos. So the cameras in front is also upgrade so very much, like even 12 megapixels in front to make selfie. So that means that the iPhone 14 in front and back of the camera will be really amazing. So as you can see, these are the cases of iPhone 14, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now I will fast tell you about what is new in iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. As you can see, in iPhone 13 have A15 Bionic and have 4 GB of RAM. Storage 128 till 512. So here the cameras, you can see 4K 60 FPS. The size of the camera of the screen is displayed is 6.1. The battery is 3240 mAh. Connectivity to 5G is waterproof and have a density of pixels of 460 ppi. So in iPhone 14 everything changed because you have storage from 128 till 1024. The display is 6.7 for iPhone Plus and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thinner visors, 120Hz promotion pill and hole cutout. A16 Bionic chip just for iPhone 14 Plus and for iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here you can see and take screenshot of what are the new things between iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. So I have a really big question and I want you respond me below in the comments for what you need iPhone 14 or iPhone 13, for what you use. And in this question that you will answer is your answer if you have to buy iPhone 14 or if you have to buy iPhone 13. If you are a normal user who just use your phone to take camera, to take photos, to take the calls, to see videos and to record videos, you can buy iPhone 13. But if you are a user who are using your phone to edit video, to record even more professional videos, to edit video from your phone, to put content in your channel or in somewhere, you can buy iPhone 14 because there are a really big difference. But iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max is the biggest difference between iPhone 13. So now you know what you will buy and why you will buy and for what you will use this iPhone. So this is everything for this video. If you like this video, please can you give a like, can you subscribe and comment and share this video with another people who wants to buy iPhone 14. We will see you the next time and thank you really much for seeing this video. Ciao.